So hello everyone, today we are solving a question of LeetCode. So the name of the question is copy list with random pointers. This is a medium level question and this is a very nice question. So let's see what the question is asking us to do. So a linked list of length n is given such that each node contains an additional random pointer which could point to any node in the list or null. So basically in a normal linked list you have your next pointer, but here along with the next pointer you have a random pointer, and the random pointer can point to any of the node or it can point to null. So we are supposed to construct a deep copy of the list, and the deep copy should consist of exactly n brand new nodes where each new node has its value set to the value of its corresponding original node. Both the new and random pointer of the new node should point to the new nodes in the copied list such that the pointers in the original list and copied list represent the same list set. None of the pointers in the new list should point to nodes in the original list. So basically what the question is asking you to do is that you have to create a duplicate of the original linked list, and in the process when you are creating a duplicate, you are supposed to create new nodes. You are not supposed to use them, and that's how you will be doing a deep copy of the linked list. And we have to return the head of the new linked list, and also like initially we will be given the head of the node of the linked list. So let's see how to solve this question. For that, let's go to the whiteboard to see how to solve this. So here, according to the question, I have created a linked list that has a next pointer and a random pointer, and we will be using this algorithm to do this. The time complexity of the algorithm will be O of n, and it will require an extra space of O of n. So let's see how to do this question. So basically what we'll be doing is that we'll be creating a node and we'll be storing it in a map corresponding to the original node. So basically for each of the nodes in the original linked list, you'll be creating separate nodes and you'll be storing it in a map, or that is to create a correspondence between them. Then what we'll be doing is that once we have created the new nodes, we are supposed to create the required links. Like here you can see some of the links have been run. So the same thing has to be done with the original, like with the new linked list. So now let's see how the algorithm works. So basically what we'll be doing is that we'll be iterating to the original linked list, and whenever we see a node, we'll be creating a node. So for example, in this you can see there is a node A. So the moment I see a node A, I'll create another node and let me call this X. So in a map, I'll store that A is being corresponded by X. So this is the hash map. So let me call this X. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be copying the value and that's it. And then I'll be going to the next node in the original linked list. So the next node is B. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be creating another node because I found another node in the original linked list. So let this be Y. So in the map, I'll store that B is corresponding to Y. And I'll also save the value, that is 2. And then again, the moment I see the next node, that is C node, I'll create another node. Let me call this Z. And in the map, I'll store that Z is corresponding to C. Then once we're done with that, we have also copied the value. So now what we need to do is that we need to create the links. So here you can see that the node A's next pointer is pointing to B. So what we do is that we again iterate through the original linked list. And the moment we get a node, in the map we see what is A corresponding to. So A is corresponding to X. So and what will be the next, like X next. So A here was pointing to B. Here you can see that A next is pointing to B. So in the map, what we will be doing is that the map of A will point to the map of B. So the map of A is X and X next will point to map of B, and B is here Y. So here the next will point to Y, and the same thing will be done for the random pointer. So here you can see that the A's random pointer is pointing to C. So A's random pointer is pointing to C. So according to the map, you see that the node corresponding to A is X. So X random pointer will also point to the node corresponding to C, and the node corresponding to C is Z. So basically here you get that the random pointer of X should point to Z, and the same thing will be done for rest of the nodes, and that's how you will be doing it. And because you created a map to solve this question, you require an additional O of n space, and that's how the algorithm works. So once it is done, all the links will be created, and that's how the algorithm works. So let's see how to code it in LeetCode. Now let's see how to code this, guys. So first we'll be creating a map. So this map will be used to have a correspondence between the old node and the newly created node. Let me define a temporary pointer. So I'll be using this temporary pointer to iterate through my original linked list. So let me iterate through the original linked list. Okay. So the moment I have a node, what I need to do is that I need to create a new node. So let me do that. I am naming the new node as new node itself. There's no problem in that. And while I'm creating a new node, I need to pass temp val so that the new node will be initialized with temp val. So temp val is the value that will be copied to the value part of this node. So once I've done that, I need to store it in the map. So mp of temp is equal to new node. So new node is the new node and temp is the original node. And I need to update temp. Okay. So once we are out of the loop, we know that new nodes have been formed and the values have been also set. And we have also set the values in the map, or basically the correspondence has been done. So now let's see what to do. So I'll be initializing temp with head again because I have to iterate through the node again. So while traveling through the linked list again, what I need to do is that I need to set the appropriate links. Okay. So mp of temp is corresponding to the new node and its next will be equal to the new node corresponding to the temp next. So basically temp next is the node in the original linked list and mp of temp next is the new node corresponding to temp next. I have set the temp. So now let me do the same for the random pointer. So mp of temp is again the new pointer and its random pointer will point to the node, the new node basically being pointed by temp random. Okay, now I'm updating the temp again. Now once we are out of the loop, we know that in this part, in the pass one, we created new nodes and also set the value, and also the values were set in map. And in the second pass, what we did was that we created appropriate link for the next pointer and the random pointer. Now we need to do return mp head. So head is the head is the node corresponding to the first node in the linked list, and mp of head is the first node of the newly formed linked list. So I need to return that. Let me run it. Okay, so it got accepted. Now let me submit it. Okay, to solve this, I've used map, and this map will require O of an extra space. Now this can be solved in O of one space. So if you guys want me to solve it in O of one space, you guys can comment down in the YouTube section, and I'll be making a video very soon. Till that time, be safe and keep coding.